Viewers, this is your Ati Paramis from StartMath. This is a continuation of the previous video. So if you have not watched the previous video, please do watch. So this is going to be fraction 2, part 2, where it includes the types of fractions and how to convert a mixed fraction to improper fraction and fraction into mixed fraction. So this is going to be a very short video. So come, let's go into the lesson. So viewers, now first we'll look into the types of fractions. So when you speak about types of fraction, the first type we are going to talk about is unit fraction. So unit fraction has a format that which I have given you here. The numerator will be 1 and the denominator can be any number. Now for an instance, now 1 over 5. 1 is the denominator, 1 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. So this is a unit fraction. And when you take 1 over 100, so this is a unit number. In this case, you should only remember that unit fraction means the numerator will always be 1 and the denominator can be any number, right? So the second type of it is the proper fraction. So this has a format that the numerator is small, the denominator is big. Like we'll say 2 over 6. So in this case, the 2 is small and the 6 is a big number, right? So the numerator is small and the denominator is big when it comes to a proper fraction. So another example, you can say 3 over 9. So you can go on with the examples that you know. The third type of it is improper fraction, that is the opposite of proper fraction, right? So the numerator is big and the denominator is small. So numerator is bigger than the denominator. The numerator is bigger than the denominator, right? The last type of it we are going to talk about is mixed fraction or mixed numbers. It can be either ways. In some books, printed as mixed fraction. In some books, it's printed as mixed numbers. So I have included both of them here. So it comes like this: a whole number, a whole number, and a fraction. Now, for an example, we'll write a whole number and then a fraction. That fraction should be a proper fraction, like the small number on top and the big number down. So this format is called a mixed fraction or mixed numbers. So we very well know that there are 4 types of angles, there are 4 types of fraction, that is unit fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, and mixed fraction. So unit fraction, the numerator is always 1. Proper fraction is the numerator is smaller than the denominator. Improper fraction, the numerator is bigger than the denominator. And the mixed fraction, you have one whole number with a proper fraction. You can say that. Okay. So now we'll go to the next one, that is changing mixed numbers to improper fraction, which is extremely easy. What you got to do is, now see, the denominator is here, 3. And this is the whole number. Now this is a mixed number, right? This is a mixed fraction. So the denominator is 3, the numerator is 1, the whole number is 2. You simply have to multiply the denominator and the whole number. You have to multiply the denominator and the whole number. That is 6. 3 2s are 6. After that, with this 6, you have to add this 1, the numerator 1, which makes 7, right? So after that, you write this denominator here. You don't do anything to the denominator. Denominator doesn't change, only the numerator changes, right? Now I'll do this example again. You multiply the denominator and the whole number, which makes 20 here. 5 4s are 20. With that, you have to add the 2, the numerator 2. So it becomes 22 here. And then what you do, you write this denominator 4 down here. That's all. Simple as that. So you can practice these sums more at home. And also, now see these lines I have used, the signs I have used in the exercise. You can use them. You know, you don't have to do everything by mind. You know, you can use these lines so that you won't forget how you got the answer. Maybe at least for the first two sums, you can use all these signs and these kind of things, so that like after a few months, even if you open your book, you will always remember how you do it. You don't have to go to another person to looking for help, right? So the next one is changing improper fraction to mixed numbers. This is also completely easy, but you should know division a little, right? So like this. Now 22. In 22, how many threes are there? So we'll count. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 sixes are 18, 3 sevens are 21, 3 eights are 24. So you can't go to 24 because there is only 22 there. So you close this. So 7. 7 times are there. So you write this 7 as a whole number. Nicely, carefully listen, because it's a mixed number you're going to change into. So you should have a whole number. So 7. So 7 threes are how much? A 3 is here. I told you before itself, the 3 doesn't change. The 3 comes here. So 7 threes are 21. So but here is 22. So 21 to 22. What is the difference? You have one difference, right? So that one comes here. So now you can just do on a checking here. 3 sevens are 21. 21 and 1, 22. Right? Now look at this. 18. See how many 5s are there. 5, 10, 15, 20. You can't go to 20. So 5, 10, 15. 3 times. You have 3 times. And then the 5 comes here. So now we told 15. From 15 to 18, how much is the difference? 3. 15, 16, 17, 18. 3 difference. So the difference of the 3 comes as a numerator. The difference. Okay, the difference comes as a numerator. I hope it's clear. Now this one, I don't have to do. You will do it by yourself, right? How many tens are there in 32? There are 3 tens, exactly 30. So the balance is 2. The difference is 2. So you write this. You have to remember that the denominator doesn't change. That's the main part of it, right? Some children have a habit of changing the denominator. Even in the previous slide, the denominator did not change. Even here, when you change improper into mixed fraction, the denominator does not change, right? So this is all for this video. Thank you for watching Start Math. So see you on the next part 3 video of fraction. Stay tuned.